Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to trade options on Charles Schwab mobile app. Now step one is just open the application of Schwab in your mobile phone, and once you are onto the home page of the app, so just click on the trade option which is in the center below option. Just click on trade, and once you click on trade, so you will be into this section called stocks and ETFs, options and mutual funds. Just click on the second option which is called options, and once you click on options, so you will be sent to this page. So just click on search for a symbol or name. So click here, and once you are in this section, so you can search a symbol or name of your company, whatever you want to search. Or let's say I want to like trade or do the stuff on this coin like Amazon.com INC. I want to choose this company. Just click here, and once you click here, you will be like redirected to this page. So in this section, you can just scroll down and just click on strategy. Just select a strategy. Strategy is very important, so just click on strategy, select a strategy, and in this section you can select strategies, either single leg, two leg spreads, or the three leg spreads. Choose strategy whatever you want to choose. So let's say I want to go with this one, call in single leg. So just click on call, and once you selected the strategy, in this section like you will be asked to select the action, select the quantity. So just click on select action, and you just need to select any of the actions like buy to open, buy to close, sell to open, or sell to close. Click on any of the options that you want to choose, and once you have chosen, you can choose the quantity. You can and after that you can just change the call put as well. Either you want to keep it on call or put, and once you have put it, after that you just need to scroll down, and once you have scrolled down, you will be asked to like select the timing as well, the order type as well, limit timing like day only or wherever you want to set the timing, and any special instruction that you want to give. And after that you can just click on trade calculator, and you will see an estimated amount that will be visible into this section. So after that you can just click on review order, and once you click on review order, you will be seeing all these details. So make sure to scroll down a little bit, and once you scroll down, so you will be into this page. Please acknowledge the following message. So make sure to scroll down and take this option that you have read it. And once you read all these stuff or all these acknowledgements, after that the place order option will be blue, and just click on this option, place order, and your order will be placed, and you will be able to do trading options in your Squab mobile app. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.